Okay guys, we back again. We buy packages. This is literally for me from the Seagate official shop Jakarta Pusat. Okay, let's open this. This is the see. Okay, where to open? This I found this. Yeah. Okay. This is unboxing video for claim if something happened. But I have not happened because this is an original stock. Okay, beautiful. Oh, nice. Seagate. Look at this. This unboxing video and actually my responses. Okay, that's for checking a guarantee. This is a kind of Barracuda for computer for PC. It's original from distributor MFI, made for Indonesia. Open this. Okay, nice. Boom. Let's see what is inside. Oh wow. Oh wow. It's double packages. Oh, that's so sticky. Okay. Wow, that's Hardisk. Wow, empty. This is the Hardisk MFI. Top brand. Already open. This is the warranty. And this is the serial number. I will check this out. Okay. Barracuda Seagate. Nice. Nice. Okay, after this I will check this possibility. 2 terabytes Barracuda. Thank you for watching. Okay guys, this is trying. This is the Barracuda 2 terabytes. We put in the computer PC, and then condition is this one. Okay, condition okay. I try it 6 hours. Highest temperatures, spin up red time information, like that. Okay, that's right. So thank you for watching.